Yes, good morning everyone. Welcome to the class. Today we are going to continue chapter bipolarity. Okay, so before going further, let me recall whatever we have done previously. I think we are meeting after 2-3 days. So let me check you. Param, unmute yourself, beta. Recapitulate whatever we have done earlier, or not from chapter Cold War, only and only from chapter bipolarity. Start, beta. What we have done till today.
Ma'am, in the end of bipolarity, we have done the Berlin Wall.
Okay.
And what was the Soviet system?
Yes.
And we have read about a leader that Vladimir Lenin.
Okay. Isha, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Anji, Isha, explain first topic. Elaborate first topic with which we have done.
Ma'am, we have done bipolar. There are two superpowers in this, and there are two countries, Soviet Union and USA. And there is a bipolar world in which there are two countries, USA and USSR. USSR is Soviet Union,
Okay.
and there is a Berlin Wall, which is which have been divided in two walls.
Okay.
One is USA and another is another was capital of Germany.
Okay.
And then we have done what is Soviet Union. It
Right.
was a USSR, Union of Soviet Socialism Republic. It was called second superpower. After it was formed after World War II. Soviet Union was formed, and Russian Revolution was also started in this in 1917.
1917.
And
Yes.
then communism was formed, in which there was all a set of property land which will be under the control of the state, and there was only one elimination party. No opposition party was there.
Okay.
And there was also Warsaw Impact, which was started in 1955, I think.
Okay. Correct. Okay.
Um,
Chalo. Little we have written points about bipolar world and USSR. What was the condition of USSR? ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद हमने करा था गर्बाचोव रिफॉर्म्स, राइट, कि बेलारूस ने और यूक्रेन ने हरा दिया था सोवियत यूनियन को, राइट. नाउ मेक हेडिंग. So what we So capitalism था, capitalism was followed by US and communism was followed by Soviet Union. Capitalism was followed by US and communism was followed by Soviet Union. Right. अब Soviet Union खत्म हो चुका था और CIS बना था. ठीक है. Now open your book page number, इस पे आ जाओ क्योंकि हम बुक के साथ साथ चल रहे हैं. ये वो थे Commonwealth Independent States. Page number 20. Now we are going to write another points. Yes, beta. So now USSR finished and एक heading लिखते जाओ मेरे साथ साथ. Whatever I'm just giving you to write. Now USSR collapsed and it became Russia. सेकेंड थिंग आप क्या लिखने वाले हो? हाँ जी, सेकेंड. SU was finished and CIS was formed. Commonwealth Independent States. Right. Now, next. अब इसमें क्या था CIS में? That state मैं ऐसे लिख रही हूँ. State will have their own government. एक तो ये चीज होगी. दूसरी चीज क्या होगी? State will have their own government. One more thing you are going to add here. Independent states बनेंगी. Independent states will be there. Next thing. And इतना नोट करो. महक बेटा कैमरा ऑन. But it was surprise for the Central Asian states because they don't want to separate from Soviet Union. ये सारी CIS बनी थी, but CIS वाली states Soviet Union से अलग रहना चाहती थी. But जो South Asian states थी, they want to stay with Soviet Union. एक hint लिख लो आप. It was surprise for Central Asian states. Actually, they want to stay with. Mehak beta camera on. Actually, they want to live with SU. वो SU के साथ रहना चाहती थी. Because they were backward. As they were backward. अब उनको किसी से फायदा था. Because they were backward. और रशिया से जुड़कर उनको फायदा था. So they want to stay with Soviet Union. Now Russia became leader. Now Russia became the leader. महक नोट करते जाओ, अभी तो इतनी जल्दी समझ आएगा नहीं, बट नोट करते जाओ. Now Russia became the leader. पहले इतना नोट करो, फिर उसके बाद आगे चलते हैं स्टेप बाय स्टेप. Now Russia became the leader. Now see one thing, just tell me one thing. Now सोवियत यूनियन चला गया और सोवियत यूनियन का किंग कौन बन गया, का सक्सेसर कौन बन गया, ऑनर कौन बन गया, रशिया. Now whatever the treaty signed by, whatever the agreement signed by Soviet Union, all will be applicable by Russia. जो सोवियत यूनियन की प्रॉपर्टी है, जो सब कुछ सोवियत यूनियन का था, it will go to Russia. Now make one line, यही लिखा था ना सीरीज में. Next line. जब आप रिवाइज करोगे ना, ये नोट्स काफी हेल्पफुल होंगे आपके लिए. The treaty is which was signed by the treaties which were signed by Soviet Union. हाँ सुखमन बेटा.
मैम बोर्ड विजिबल नहीं है.
विजिबल नहीं है. अभी देखो तो, अभी ठीक है. नहीं होना तो चाहिए विजिबल. अभी ठीक है. ठीक है, थैंक यू बेटा. Now the treaties which were signed by Soviet Union now will be carried out by Russia. अब वो रशिया करेगा, रशिया मालिक बन गया. Now Russia became boss in place of Soviet Union. मैं है कैमरा ऑन बेटा. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है व्हाई डिड सोवियत यूनियन डिसइंटीग्रेटेड. Why did Soviet Union disintegrated? Why did Soviet Union disintegrated? Now you will write here. Hint I am giving you. ठीक है? Political weakness. Second, economic fall down, corruption, नोट करते जाओ बेटा. Shortage of birds, goods and services. Dissatisfaction among people, dissatisfaction among people, agriculture, food workers sent to army, agriculture workers, produce workers, food were sent to army. वो तो सारा आर्मी को भेज दिया, लोगों के लिए तो कुछ बचा ही नहीं. Import increased, expenditure on nuclear and military. ये ऊपर वाले रब कर दूं. सारा पैसा मिलिट्री पे खर्च होने लग गया. एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन मनी ऑन न्यूक्लियर डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सैटेलाइट, इतना पैसा आना कहां से था, सारा तो खर्चा करेगा एसयू. People want to do development like America, like US. मीन्स आप ये लिखो कि वो कंपैरिजन करने लग गए. वेस्ट के साथ. नेक्स्ट, people started protest. डन बेटा? डन बेटा? थैंक यू सुखमन फॉर रिस्पॉन्डिंग. थैंक यू परम. ईशा डन बेटा? थैंक यू ईशा. नाउ नेक्स्ट हेडिंग. एक हेडिंग बनाओ. Now I am not going to write on board. I will dictate you. ठीक है, लिखते जाओ. Same hint which we have already done from book. Book अपने पास ही खुली रखना. पॉलिटिकल वीकनेस एक हेडिंग बनाओ. पॉलिटिकल वीकनेस. Communist Party become authoritative in Soviet Union. Political party became authoritative in Soviet Union. कौन सी थी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी? परम, सोवियत यूनियन में कौन सी पार्टी थी जो अथॉरिटेटिव बन गई? अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. Which party?
Yes,
Which party became authoritative in Soviet Union? एक ही तो पार्टी थी.
USSR.
अरे पार्टी, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी सोवियत यूनियन में कौन सी थी? एक ही तो पार्टी थी. नो ऑपोजिशन.
कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी.
कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी. ठीक है बेटा, कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी. हाँ जी. Communist party become authoritative, rigid, and unaccountable. Political party become authoritative, rigid, and unaccountable. Second, political का ही second बनाओ. Ordinary people were not allowed to participate. Ordinary people were not allowed to participate in the administration. Ordinary people were not were not allowed to participate in the administration. Bureaucrats, next point लिखो. Bureaucrats became corrupt. Bureaucrats became corrupt. Bureaucrats became corrupt. Government was unable to solve the issues. Next point. Government was unable to solve the issue. कोई issue solve नहीं कर पाई लोगों के. चलो डन बेटा, this much only. Now show me thumbs up if these things clear to you. Thank you Sukuman. चलो एक हेडिंग बनाओ, पेज नंबर 21 से ले रही हूं मैं, बिकॉज नाउ वी हैव कवर्ड पेज नंबर 20 ना, है ना, वी हैव कवर्ड पेज नंबर 20. नाउ पेज नंबर 21 पे आओ, जहां आपने क्वेश्चन लिखा था व्हाई गोर्बाचोव वाज फेल्ड इन स्पाइट ऑफ मच रिफॉर्म्स, है ना. एक क्वेश्चन बनाओ, बुक को छोड़ दो, कॉपी पे लिखो, राइट ऑन कॉपी. Why Soviet Union collapsed? Why Soviet Union collapsed even after Gorbachev's reforms? Even after Gorbachev's reforms. गोर्बाचोव के इतना रिफॉर्म करने के बाद भी फेल हो गया सोवियत यूनियन. हाँ जी, आंसर नंबर 1, स्लो स्पीड ऑफ वर्क. काम बड़ा स्लो था उनका, स्लो स्पीड ऑफ वर्क. Inefficiency of Communist Party. Inefficiency of Communist Party. The government was against Gorbachev's reforms. Next point. The government was against Gorbachev. The government was against Gorbachev for the quick reforms. वो कह रहे थे वो जल्दी कर रहा है. Next, Gorbachev lost support from all sides. उसको किसी ने सपोर्ट नहीं किया. Gorbachev lost support from all sides. उसको किसी ने भी सपोर्ट नहीं करा. Now make heading immediate cause. Immediate cause. So this we will do tomorrow. That's all for today, and revise whatever we have done. I have given you notes about the chapter. We have not done anything new today. Right? Make preserve. Make sure that your copies are safe with you. इन notes को संभाल के रखना. Text book और notes दो चीजें ही पढ़नी है. वहीं से पेपर आएगा PT1. Okay. चलो, thank you very much for joining. Thank you so much, बेटा. God bless.